by the title of the video, clearly you see what it is that we're doing today. And it is going to be this big ass puff ball on my head. So I was on Instagram, right, where I got some inspo, and I seen a picture of Ruby Rose, and it was so cute. She had these 2 buns up here, and literally not that long ago I did 2 buns down in the back of my head. So I actually wanted to do them at the top of my head. I'm about to show you guys exactly what it is that we're gonna be using today on my hair. We're gonna be using the basics, okay? We got our Eco Styler gel for edge control. This is literally the only edge control I have right now, but this is Black Panther Strong Edge Tamer and Braid Tamer. Of course, we got our Got To Be Glued spray. We have our comb, and then I have a couple brushes. Oh, and we can't forget our edge control brush. I got a couple brushes here, just because my hair is a lot to work with, clearly, as y'all can see. And then we have all of our scrunchies. I got about 4 scrunchies. Okay, so guys, the first thing that I'm gonna do, I was gonna like actually like straighten my hair and all this stuff, and like, to be honest, depending how flat you want it, maybe you should straighten your hair. Personally, I don't feel like putting any heat on my hair today, so I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna do the best that I can do as doing a part in the middle, okay? Do this goofy ass bun right here. Period. And I'm done now, magic. I look a hot mess. But we're gonna go right in with our gel. I'm gonna just brush this out again. This little brush right here, I don't know what it is, but this shit goes in deep. This brush goes in deep, guys. Okay. You see how like much more tamed this is now? So I'm gonna just tie it here. I know I'm probably gonna end up doing this again, but I gotta do the other side. So You see, guys, you see what I mean? You see how this is like higher than the other one? And I kind of want it to be higher, so. So now we got this done, and I look a little crazy, but it's all good. But now we're gonna take our bundles, right? And I still have, and guys, this is literally the hair that I used on the ponytail video that I uploaded previous to this one. So we're gonna reuse this hair, and I'm gonna literally, this time though, I'm just gonna wrap it around the actual base of the ponytail, and then we'll get into the bun. So I got 2 pieces of hair, this one and this one. So we're gonna wrap them, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to do the bun for up into 2 buns right up here, right? I'm gonna do my baby hair, and then literally that's it for the hairstyle. I'm gonna show y'all the back, and don't make fun of me because I know it probably looks crazy, but it's all good. We don't care about the back, right? It's all about the front, the face cards, period. This is the fastest that's ever taken me to literally tie buns on the top of my head, or buns in general. So this is lit. I feel cute. I'm about to do the baby hairs right now. If you guys do have any pieces that are like loose or flying away, literally just get a bobby pin real quick and just pin it up, and it'll stay in place. Okay guys, so this is literally the completed look. I know this was fast as hell, honestly. I'm proud of myself, but I look cute. I'm about to head off. I'm gonna see you guys very soon, right? Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what other hairstyles y'all want me to do, because I'm with whatever, and clearly I can do it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.